Hi guys, this is Sairam and today I'm going to walk you through how you can import your Xano API documentation onto Postman. As you can see that I am currently on my API group users. I have 5 endpoints over here which belongs to the users API group. You can see that my API documentation is currently disabled. To enable that, let's go to settings. You can see that Swagger API documentation is disabled for this API group. Let's enable that for now. Make it public. Click on save. My API documentation is now enabled and ready. Let's click over here. I am redirected to my post Swagger URL. These are the APIs along with the input parameters, the response structure, the type of response code that I might get, and so on and so forth. But how about if I want to modify the specification of these codes and these particular APIs? Currently, there is no possible way for us to do that on directly on Xano, but we can import this onto our Postman. To import this onto Postman, let's click on this API spec link, which will provide us the API specification in JSON format. But to get the API Swagger definition or the specification, which Postman supports, is for that we will need to change this type onto Swagger, and we now have the Swagger code. Let's go to Postman and import this. Let's click on import, click on paste. Now I have two options, whether I want to import the Postman collection only or whether I want to import the OpenAPI 3.0 with the Postman collection. What this does is this will import or create a definition file of the Postman collection. Let's import this and see how this looks like. It has been pretty fast. It is now imported. Let's click on definition. This is the API definition that got imported from our Swagger link. To modify that, we'll need to go to index.yaml, beautify this so that it is easy to read. Now I can change the response code. I can change the description of this response, the content that API returns, the schema, and a lot of things. I can also verify and see what all endpoints require as an input. Currently, what is the success response? What does the body requires? And what will be the status code of this response? Importing all the API specifications and documentation onto Postman allows us flexibility to edit them, modify them, or share them easily. I hope you like this video and thank you.